NASA could see this loaf. They could stop their work, whatever they're doing. It's not as important. They could just, everybody stop and look at the freeform bread in orbit. Apparently, this guy sent garlic bread to the edge of space and then ate it. His name is Tom Scott. He's doing it for science, maybe.
This is not going to be a normal video. We're sending garlic bread to the edge of space!
Dang! Space bread!
Loads of people have launched loads of objects on balloons, usually as publicity stunts, but despite a lot of breathless press releases, those objects haven't been launched into space. Most standards organisations agree that space officially starts at the completely arbitrary Kármán line, 100 kilometres up, and balloons like that one only get about a third of the way there.
Guys, okay, wouldn't it be funny if he's launching this to space and like some seagulls or something, or like an eagle intercepts the bread going up and like he has to redo it again? I'm just saying, that's the first thing that came to mind is like, imagine a bird came in and f***ed this up. I mean, like, damn, somebody put a bread loaf like many feet in the air. I didn't even have to steal it like at ground level. This is like a great day. It's like my birthday or something.
And we're definitely not sending...
Yeah, and it's garlic bread. It's not even regular. It's garlic bread. Like, damn. Bone apple tea to me, man.
...anything into orbit. Orbit requires tens of thousands of miles an hour of speed. That's what all the rockets are for.
You see 3 pigeons on the plate when it descends. Yeah, exactly.
We're using a weather balloon. It's a large one, actually, today. We're going as high as we can with this payload. It's very cold on the way up. It gets warmer as you approach.
Or, like, they accidentally go up and there's, like, a plane that's going through that way. And then, like, they see, like, what is this? It's like, what is it? What is it, Captain? There seems to be a flying loaf of bread in the way, Captain. We're gonna have to take a detour. Like, imagine any planes that accidentally, like, are en route where this loaf of bread is.
That sort of altitude. So it's coldest just above the jet stream, and then getting slightly warmer again. It gets back down to about 0, about where the balloon will pop. Oh my God.
The idea that all those publicity stunts actually made it to space is helped by the fact that the fisheye lens on some of the cameras...
Captain, bread ahead. Braced for bread.
...that they use means that the curve of the Earth looks a lot more dramatic than it really is at that height. Now, we're using cameras that correct for that, so what you'll see on screen is more or less what you'd see up there. So we're not saying space, we're saying the edge of space, which is basically just a marketing term, but the atmosphere is so thin up there, about 1% of the pressure at ground level, that it's close enough. Why garlic bread?
Basically
because
space
it's delicious.
bread.
And because someone already sent pizza up in a balloon a few years ago.
This garlic bread is delicious. It's homemade, well, apart from the baguette. I did some homemade garlic butter on there.
This is some good bread we're putting in space. Like, what did he do? I'm sorry. I just wonder how this, like, was thought of. They were just like, man, this is some good garlic bread. Wonder what happens when I put it in space.
Real nice parmesan on there. Although I did make it at 5 o'clock this morning. So it's going to be a near vacuum.
Like, what is this content creator brain? Like, oh, delicious bread. I could make content with this. I could send this to space. I mean,
we're going to send half up in the sky with a balloon and then leaving half on Earth for a real comparison taste test.
As it goes up, the atmosphere is getting thinner and thinner, and there's less and less air pushing in. The balloon itself will get bigger and bigger. So eventually, the balloon will pop and the equipment will parachute down to the ground and we'll go and recover it.
Nice, I support it. I'm ready. I'm ready to see the results of the shenanigans. Bro, that's wild. Yeah, you could really see how close they are to space because it's like, that's crazy looking, isn't it?
We normally predict
that's space enough for me.
The landing spot to within about 5 miles when we launch the balloon. We're tracking the balloon using some...
Bro, somebody could look at the space satellites right now and they could see the bread. Chat, somebody could look, like NASA could see this loaf. NASA could see this loaf. They could stop their work, whatever they're doing. It's not as important. They could just, everybody stop and look at the freeform bread in orbit.
Radio trackers. They send a signal with...
Flat Earthers been real quiet since this loaf reached space level.
The GPS position to the ground, and that's put on a map, and we chase the balloon's predicted landing spot. I've done
Oh, yeah, if this wasn't pre-cut, you have a point. If the if the loaf was not cut into pieces, the loaf would pop as it expands probably. Yeah, you got a point. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, yeah, it could not be an uncut loaf of bread, or it would be bread, like, explosion
lots of high altitude
by the
ballooning. I've
time it
been
got up
doing it
here.
now for about 10 years.
UF loaf! Oh, I love that dad joke, Chet. Somebody give them a sub. Y'all have heard of UFOs, but never UF loafs.
Never lost one, sent one to its doom a couple of
Get
times.
ready.
All sorts of food items have been launched into the stratosphere. The BBC sent wedding cake up as part of a children's show, but the punchline at the end was that no one actually ate it. I've yet to find any
What a wasted cake! You put that up there, you do it for, like, what was it, Children's Day? For Children's Day, you just wasted a piece of
balloon-launched food that was
cake.
actually eaten after landing. And the main reason for that is
BBCL!
you have no idea where it's going to land, what it's going to land in, or what animals will have got to it first.
The box I've designed has a GPS and a little servo and a piece of string and some springs. As it comes down, it
Yes, this bread loaf should now also be called a space cake.
servo 1,000 meters above the ground.
So now we have to get in our cars and go chasing the payload.
Or if you have an allergy to any food that reaches like a certain height in space, Yeah, what if you're allergic to space? Not bread, but just space. You would like your bread without space in it.
It's just coming to land somewhere about half a mile ahead, so Barry, keep your eyes on the sky. I've got to keep my eyes on the road. You reckon I'm okay to park here?
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it an alien? No, it's bread. Loaf of bread delivery dropping in
It's just on the end of that
like a Fortnite delivery.
road there.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Loaf of bread.
Well, so we got 2 cameras, I suppose.
The flavor of space in your food.
Yay! I think they're still running.
Oh, there we go.
Lift it up. Ooh.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
You guys have seen like rich people how they'll like have like food that has like painted in like real gold or something. It's like what the heck? Imagine there's like a rich people like restaurant where they have to pay a ton of money just to have like everything sent up like hundreds of meters in the air.
All right, so this is your original.
Yeah, yeah.
I need my food to be in anti-gravity before consumption.
That's really good.
Not bad, right?
Space bread.
Is it cold?
It's not that much. Oh, no, that tore completely differently. So that one ripped. That one went. This one went click.
It's definitely got an icy middle.
Bro, there's ice in the middle of the garlic bread. It'd sell. I feel like it totally would. Rich people will buy anything.
I don't know. I mean,
That has been frozen. That's been frozen in the stratosphere.
You sort of see the colour of the middle of the... It's sort of whiter, isn't it?
This went to the stratosphere and I'm eating it. Sort of. Thank you very much to Steve Randall from Random Aerospace and
So-
to Barry Lewis from My Virgin Kitchen.
So it was just a little bit colder. It doesn't seem like they said it tasted any different. Like it's the same.
Thank you very much to
Space
Steve
loaf,
Randall
innit?
from Random Aerospace and to Barry Lewis from My Virgin Kitchen. I don't actually know what I did on this. I'm basically DJ Khaled at this point.
Yeah. DJ garlic. No, that didn't work. I'd say garlic bread.
We're done.
No, it doesn't work. Dad joke fail. He tried his best. That's some cool bread. Yeah, so apparently space bread tastes the same as regular bread, except for it might be cold on the inside. Yep. This is the content I sign up for. Does it make the world better? No. Does it entertain me? Yes. I support it.